Hey guys, I want to do a quick 2-minute hairstyle, but when you don't want to curl your hair on day 2 or 3, just takes a couple products, a little teasing. You want a lot of texture, so we're going to go with the do-over. And the more products, the better when you do styles like this, just because it's going to give your hair a lot of grip. The SESSION.SPRAY FLEX is a hairspray, but I always use this when styling and I work it through. It's very flexible, so it's a good way to shape the hair before actually setting it. Okay, now any kind of brush, comb, you're gonna go in and do some teasing. You really want up by your hairline and then kind of towards the crown. Okay. Now this can be a ponytail or a bun. I've been loving the low buns. I've been binge watching Desperate Housewives of Beverly Hills, being home on maternity leave, and I have to say I'm behind on watching that, but Yolanda's hair, I love it. So low bun, okay? This is all textured. You're gonna go in, don't focus too much on this because we're gonna go in with a little scarf. Wrap it up as skinny or thick as you want. We're gonna put it right about an inch past the hairline. You're gonna do the first wrap underneath the bun, and then you're gonna go over the ponytail, so you probably couldn't hear me, but the first wrap is under, and then the second is gonna go over the ponytail, so you can't see the ponytail. So then adjust the bandana. Now you kinda wanna get some volume back here, and you see how it's just kinda like messy and textured? That's from the products, and then the tease. So I do want to see a little bit of hair coming from the top. If you prefer some volume, you can see it kind of gives you some volume back here. And then around the hairline, make sure this is all even, and just to kind of soften it up, I'm going to go with my fingers. And this is a actual bandana, but you can get one that's a headband so that you don't have to deal with like adjusting it. Super quick, super cute. Then I'm gonna throw on some earrings. You wanna go earrings instead of necklaces today? And there we go. This is literally, it'll take you like 2 minutes and it looks like you spent some time on your hair. So this is really good for day 2 or 3, but just remember you always wanna use products that are gonna help you give the texture. The Kevin Murphy styling products, I mean, are literally the best thing in the world, and I use them every day. It allows me to not have to wash my hair but 4 or 5 days with styling in between. So I hope y'all like it. Y'all have a great day.